Okay, so here we are again in another video, and today, as always, we are gonna start with Bitcoin. I've had lots of fucking stop losses lately because I was trying to look for a reversal on Bitcoin. As you know, I'm not trading any strategy really, more or less my fucking intuition, but of course I made mistakes, and well, I've been trying to buy, but yeah. I had no really good trades. Probably we would look for a sell here, but yeah. I don't know right now. What I'm sure of is that probably we're gonna take this liquidity to the left. That would be really nice because we would be taking this liquidity, reacting from this box here, resetting the RSI, resetting the MACD. So I expect this movement for this week, and maybe then we are gonna be able to look for some buys. I still don't like this, but hopefully with this reset, we're gonna see something else. Okay, on the weekly chart, we had the reset here on the MACD. Here we would have the bounce, and after the bounce, hopefully we'll see a movement to the upside. I like it because I see buyer's strength. I don't see really weeks from like selling weeks and everything. So I like what I see, but yeah, I need more confirmation, and we will see tomorrow if we take this liquidity. Okay. As you can see, we have the reset here, but right now we are gonna have the reset much higher. Euro USD, we took this round liquidity H4 today. We didn't reach the ATR level, but I don't trade on Mondays because my strategy is not tradable on Mondays. So I just didn't do anything. In this case, just waiting for the proper trade to present. On the London side, I was waiting for this to be taken, but we took it on New York. So the same, no trades for me. No trades on GU probably either. Well, it would be lovely if the indicators were placed on the chart, but I don't know why the fuck is going so bad. Hello. Okay. Well, yeah, my computer is dying. Well, on Nasdaq we had this break here, leaving liquidity to the downside, and taking liquidity to the upside here. So yeah, we could look for a movement to here, and here we had a break, so have more liquidity here, and maybe we have liquidity probably here, but we didn't take. But well, so let's see. Gold. Maybe we see a movement to take these liquidities here to the left, but I still think that we could take that week to the downside. Probably that would be good news because if the war finishes, we're gonna have maybe a movement to the downside on the commodities. So yeah, that could be good, but we will see. Okay, still waiting to see what happens. Talking about crypto, the same. On Bitcoin, I'm expecting this to be taken, this liquidity, and after that, we're gonna look for probably some buys. On Ethereum, we already took the liquidity, so now waiting for Bitcoin to react, but I think we're gonna see a movement on Ethereum. Hype. Well, let me finish with Ethereum. I think we're gonna see a movement because I see lots of food, and yeah, I think it's right now perfect to have a movement to the upside. Maybe we could go down and take this one here, but we'll see how Bitcoin reacts, and of course the macro news. Okay, on hype I sold already, another 11% here. I think we could have a movement to the downside and then a movement to the upside again, but the price is going up like crazy. Even without Bitcoin with even when Bitcoin is weak. So I don't know what's gonna happen when crypto moves up again, but I'm selling here and probably gonna buy a little bit more around these levels here. Okay, I'm gonna put this up. Solana still here, like XRP, like everything else, waiting. In my opinion, I would love to see a movement to the upside because this is crazy, but we could have a movement like this one, and that would be a fucked up. But we would go and take some levels here on Ethereum, the same, some levels down here. If we go down here, I'm gonna buy like crazy Ethereum. Bitcoin, we would see this taken. Yeah, just waiting. Aster, same break even, and XRP the same. Okay, so we will see, but hopefully we're gonna have good news and a movement to the upside. But well, so I hope you like it, and of course, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.